I'm going to be showing you 5 more Android apps you should try in October. These are really awesome apps. Some of them are music players and some of them gives you shortcut to open apps. So stay tuned till the end of the video and watch all the 5 apps. You might like them. So let's get started. So the first app is HQ Music Player. And I think this is probably the most minimalistic looking music player there is on the Play Store. And as you can see, this is just no design at all. You have these play, pause and shuffle icons on the main screen. And if you slide up, the whole interface is gesture based, so you don't have to touch anything, you don't have to tap the icons. You just find your list of songs if you slide up, and if you slide down you get your album art. You can search like in other music players, and there is also a notifications to help you access your controls from anywhere. Apart from that, this music player has really nothing else. It's just so minimalistic and it's fully gesture based. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for the HQ Music Player. And if you like it, give it a try. I think you're gonna like it because it's so smooth in performance and it looks really nice as well. It's fully gesture based, so if you just slide left or right, you can change the songs or go to your previous song. So definitely worth trying. So the next app is Footej Camera, and this is hands down the best manual camera for Android. So before we get into the main settings, let's go into the main interface over here. So this is basically the normal camera interface like Google Camera, and up top there are photography, video camera and gallery options. Tapping on the stars takes you to the Google Play Store, which you can buy the Plus version, which I don't think is necessary at all. So yeah, let's get into the main settings of this app. So down below there is these focus and exposure settings. You can change your focus from here. You can either set it to auto or manual focus if your device supports it. And if you go to exposure settings, you can change the auto exposure level or even go to the manual exposure settings, which is the main feature of this camera. So as you can see, this in this whole really flat design, you get to change around really extensive settings, which you can take manual photos with, and you can change the shutter speed and ISO to the level which your device supports. And you have your normal camera controls like the timer, which goes up to 10 seconds, and also the grid lines you see up there. Down below that, there's the shutter icon, the flash icon, and the camera switcher, which you can go to your front camera. There is also an image viewer in the app itself, which is pretty handy. So let's see that. So as you can see, this is the basic gallery for this camera, and it's really awesome because it's so smooth and has all the features of gallery. You can share the image and also view information about it. And other than that, this Footej Camera is a really nice app and it's definitely worth trying. The next app is IV Sidebar, and this is basically a shortcut for all your apps and widgets and RSS. So yeah, you just swipe from the right from any screen and you can get into these shortcuts. I think it's really handy if you want to switch between your frequently used apps, and also you can just open any app so instantly from here. So yeah, that's, for example, I open Twitter and Instagram so quickly from here without even going to the app drawer at all. So let's head into the settings. The settings are pretty basic. For the first setting, you can just enable or disable and change the background color for the panel itself. And if you go to the navigation drawer, you can see all these handle settings and the app ribbon settings, and you can also access these settings from the navigation drawer. You can also have your RSS feed and also disable the clock if you don't want it to be there. And I think it's really fast at working because it doesn't have any delay whatsoever. So if you want to add more apps, you can go to the app ribbon settings and just drag around the apps which you want up top. And if you also add applications, whatever applications you want, and as many as applications you'd like, because it's a vertical scrolling list. You can drag the application which you most frequently use, and swiping them away just removes them. You can even add shortcuts, so this is really handy for tasker shortcuts, which is going to be really awesome. Obviously, you can even change these ribbon settings. And yeah, I think this app is really useful because you can open your apps anywhere. And I know many apps do this, but this app has really great design. So yeah, it's definitely worth trying. Also, this app also has the custom icon support, so that's good as well. The second to last app is going to be Whileaway, and if you like the story style of Snapchat, you're going to love this. It actually logs into your Twitter account and shows your tweets in a Snapchat story-like fashion. So you just tap on the account and you see the tweets in a story-like fashion. Obviously, you do have the retweet and like buttons down below, and you can just swipe to view your tweets. There is unfortunately no comments button at the time of making this video, but this is still awesome. You can add 20 accounts of your liking, of your favorite accounts, and also image support in the stories as well. So yeah, that's basically the actual concept of this app, and it's really well designed. It works really fine because the performance of this app is really nice. The comment section should be coming in a few updates, but that's okay. You can also add 20 people over here. So you just tap the pen icon and you can add your accounts as well. You can remove by pressing the accounts X button, and you can just search for your friends and add their account as well. So yeah, that's how you add accounts, and you watch the stories from them as well. So yeah, I think it's a really nice app, and the concept of this app is really like a Snapchat stories, but I think it needs a few customizability options as well. Other than that, it's definitely worth trying. The last app is Dango, and if you like emojis, you're gonna love this app. So yeah, if you find yourself finding a lot of just scrolling through a lot of pages of emojis to find the perfect emoji you want, you're gonna love this app. You just start typing, and this actually pops up with a bubble and shows you the current the best emoji suited for the text you're typing. So if you type something, it's gonna, by tapping on that bubble, it's gonna show up the relevant emojis you'd like to type in there without just searching all through the pages and everything like that. It also has GIF and sticker support for the apps that support it, and you can also set your favorite emojis in the app itself. So yeah, let me just switch to my data over here to show you the GIF and the stickers feature. But yeah, as you can see, you just type in anything you want, and it's gonna pop up with that bubble thingy, and you just tap on the emoji like as many times, and it's gonna appear on the text field. So let's jump into settings for Dango. So yeah, it's a really simple app, and you can just change these settings. You can just go through these settings, and yeah, you can just go through these settings. And also there is also these Pokemon special stickers for these Pika and Poke Classics. You can check those out as well. Those are basically special GIFs. There is also a how-to section. You can go through that as well if you don't understand this app. But yeah, it's a really handy app, and emojis add really a nice feel to your text conversations. So it's really nice, a nice feature to have. So yeah, Dango is definitely worth trying, and yeah, definitely download it. So yeah, that's it. Those are the 5 apps I wanted to show you for October. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check my other videos out. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.